So my message for you at the end here is that what matters is everyone's targets. If you don't know what everyone's targets are, then you cannot create the environment in which everyone's targets are going to be met. And to understand not only the targets but the interdependencies and the contributions and the communications, you need to think about where are people on that stakeholder analysis and who has what relationship with who. And that means that you can build the feedback loops that you need and match those feedback loops to the how is the work going to be conducted. But the how is the work going to be conducted is only meaningful in the context of what is the goal, and what is the goal requires that we have clarity in both customer, the what angle, and team, the how angle, and we build the cadence and the acceptance criteria around that set of observations. And that allows us to determine what tests are going to be necessary. And those tests of the endpoint allow us to decompose and sequence the actions that are necessary. We decompose the end goal into the product or results, and the products and results into the actions. And we then, for the actions, determine what the dependencies between those actions are. And if you follow all these steps and you apply all these ideas, then you'll be able to GSD with a team. That is, get stuff done. Well, that was under an hour and a half to cover the whole of what project management is about in a way that is probably more usefully complete than this very thick book here. This is less complete than we have just covered, but it takes an enormous number of pages to go through it all. So I wouldn't be surprised if you had some questions as a result of all of that. So if you need further help, I'm where that little circle in the top left hand corner is, but with the capabilities of the internet these days, I can help you with consulting and blended learning wherever you are. This has been a discussion in how do you deliver results through folk. It's a holistic view of competency development for the delivery of change in organisations. It wasn't a traditional description of what are the tools and techniques of project management. My view is that the traditional description of the tools and techniques of project management has pretty much lost its way and has gone down an avenue, a rabbit hole perhaps, of how do you pass fairly meaningless exams. So you get people coming out of exams who know an awful lot about formulas such as earned value divided by planned value gives you a scheduled performance index, but just what does that mean? What action do I take as a result? And so what if my scheduled performance index is 1.1 or 0.75? Well, we haven't talked about any of that in this video. What we've talked about is how do you get a group of people focused on supporting each other to deliver an end result, including when you ask the customer, what end result do you want? They go, I'm not sure, show me something and I'll tell you if that's moving in the right direction. So if you'd like further help, if you'd like further insights that are actionable and to answer the question, how do we deliver change in organisation, please contact us at either the website, the phone number, or any of the other mechanisms that are available, such as email or anything else. As I said, I've been Simon Harris. I have 40 years experience, or I have 1 year of experience repeated 40 times, and therefore somewhat well refined. I wish you well, stay safe, and goodbye.